Hello everyone and welcome to this video on budget-friendly travel. If you're like most people, you probably love the idea of traveling, but the cost of flights, hotels, and activities can quickly add up. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks to help you travel more affordably so you can see the world without breaking the bank. Tip 1. Choose your destination carefully. The first tip is to choose your destination carefully. Some places are naturally more expensive than others, so it's important to research destinations that are budget-friendly. Tip 2. Use your skills to travel sustainably. Another way to travel on a budget is to use your skills. For example, if you're a native English speaker, you could teach English abroad and not only earn money but also see the world. Tip 3. Stay in hostels. Staying in hostels can be a great way to save money on your travels. Not only are they more affordable than hotels, but you'll also have the opportunity to meet other travelers from around the world. Tip 4. Cook your own meals. Another way to save money while traveling is to cook your own meals. This not only saves you money, but also allows you to try local ingredients and experience the local culture in a unique way. Tip 5. Be flexible with your travel days. Being flexible with your travel dates can also help you save money. For example, traveling during the off-season can save you money on flights and accommodations. Tip 6. Use public transportation. Finally, using public transportation can be a great way to save money while traveling. Not only is it more affordable than taxis and rental cars, but it also allows you to experience the local culture in a more authentic way. So there you have it, 6 tips for budget-friendly travel. We hope these tips help you plan your next adventure without breaking the bank. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Thank you for watching.